Okay, so this will be the last video that I do of the return. So I got to talk about a few things. So this little piece right here that's like a flapper, it kind of goes in here and it sticks, and then it unlocks like this to let fuel, to let fuel in, and then it closes to keep the fuel from flowing back out. So what I found out is if you run E85, you do not want to have this in there. Like, I was watching a Nissan Skyline video and the guy specifically said, and we have the same thing in our Acuras Hondas, these little plungers. So does the Skyline. And when you run E85, this thing becomes sticky, and what happens is it completely just gels itself up and sticks and clogs up this thing completely. And you can blow your motor because it'll run completely dry of fuel. It'll just shut off. So if you're running gasoline, you can keep this in. You'll be fine. It won't. It's probably better to have it in if you're running gasoline. But I'm running E85 and I have to take it out. So I'll go over what I did. This is a bulkhead fitting. Right here, 90 degrees, and then I'll go underneath it. And you saw in the last videos, I used the Vibrant washers, I think they're neoprene or something like that. And then I used a 6AN female to 3/8 barb. And then these clamps right here, I would go as low as like you want at least like 8 to 11 millimeters. These ones are 11 to 13. They should barely work, but I would get something even smaller than that, because I'm just using scrap parts that I have are extra parts. But yeah, these are 11 to 13 millimeter clamps, stainless. You probably want something a bit tighter than that. So here, I'll go through the thing too. So this fuel pump, it moves around, and you kind of have to have it in the center so it lays flat on the filter and the filter's square. So what I did was I just got a hot screwdriver, pushed it through here, and used the zip tie right here to center it, and then use another one on the other side to keep it in the middle. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere, but yeah, and you can see how I ran the fuel lines. Wait, here we go. Yeah, fuel line from there and directly into here. And then the fuel pump, the same thing. Fuel pump here. Boom, directly. This is my feed, so directly to the feed. And you can see when I push down, look, the fuel clamps, what am I saying? The fuel lines fit perfectly. Like everything, nothing's binding, and you need the flexible line. You can get away with using hoses on the RSX, but not on the CRV. You need the E85 like flexible hoses, and I had to just route the wiring a little bit different so it didn't get caught in here. Fuel float's fine. So that's pretty much it, and that's it for converting to CRZ fuel assembly. But yeah, you can see. Alright, that's the end of this one.